one is Balkrishna Industries, which is under pressure. It's in focus on the back of its Q4 numbers. And we have Vamakshi here to give us the details.
Well, Ekta, when you look at the numbers that have come through from the company, the total revenue saw an uptick of 5.2%, out of which the revenue from operations saw an uptick of almost 3%. The rest of the growth actually came in from the realized gain on forex. This came in at 91 crores this time around as compared to 24 crores in the same quarter previous year. As far as volume and realizations are concerned, the volumes were rather flat at 82,100 odd tons. The realizations actually drove the entire improvement that we saw in the total revenue. The realization saw an uptick of almost 5.3%. The operational performance, though, was quite tepid. The margins have contracted by 115 basis points to 24.8%. The EBITDA is rather flat at 703 crores, and the net profit actually saw a very sharp fall of almost 25%. And this is because there was an unrealized forex loss of almost 58 crores in the fourth quarter. Now, in the conference call, the management also refrained from giving any growth guidance for its core global off-highway tire segment. They say that they continue to face demand headwinds in their key global markets, but going beyond that, the company has also given a 5-year roadmap, and they are expecting to scale up their revenue by over 2 times, 23,000 crores by 2030. They will be investing nearly 3,500 crores in capex over the next 3 years. This is in addition to the 500 to 700 crore capex that they had already announced. Now, Investec believes that this accelerated capex is likely to constrain the company's free cash flow. Apart from that, they've also announced foray into TBR as well as the premium PCR segments, which will contribute nearly 20% to the company's revenue by 2030. But again, out here, Nomura believes that this is an entry into a very competitive space, and therefore the midterm ROEs could, come under pressure on account of that. Let's also look at what some brokerages are saying. So Morgan Stanley has an underweight call. They've cut their target price to 2,070. Investec too has downgraded the counter to sell, cut their target price to 1,910 per share, and Nomura also has downgraded it to neutral, target price of 2,644 per share. So overall, doesn't look like a good set for Balkrishna Industries.
All right, take that point, Vamakshi. Thanks a lot for that. Let's